Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Election Commission of India announces holding of by-election in Meghalaya. National People's Party to set up candidates for by-election in Meghalaya. Union Tourism Minister Rakesh Sinha says people have come to know about Meghalaya's Kongthong village, and Reebhoi Dorbar apprises Deputy Commissioner on people's hardship. And now the news in detail. The Election Commission of India today announced the holding of by-election in Meghalaya. The by-election to the Mauringkaning, Mauplang and Rajabala Assembly constituencies will be held on the 30th of October, and counting of votes and declaration of results will take place on the 2nd of November this year. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the health protocol issued by the government will have to be strictly followed during the by-election.
Well, we cannot presume that things will happen. We don't know. But of course, whatever the situation may be, even during election time, I'm sure Election Commission will give us protocols to be followed. So all the concerned candidates and parties will have to follow those protocols. And as I said, since Election Commission must have taken all those points into consideration and accordingly announced the dates.
The National People's Party today decided to set up candidates for the by-election in Meghalaya. Speaking to the media, the NPP State President and Lok Sabha member Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi said the National People's Party will set up candidates for by-election to the Mauringkaning and Rajabala Assembly constituencies. With regards to the Mauplang Assembly constituency, the party is yet to decide, Dr. Kharlukhi added.
We have already decided in the morning, but today I just need to confirm from our national president. No? We have decided for Rajabala it should be Abdul Saleh, and for Mauringkaning is Paniai. Mauplang we still keep it pending for a few days. We have it. You just wait. Have some patience. Yes. We will contest on all the three. I'm 100% confident winning. In every fight I took, I'm always confident of winning. The more your opponent is strong, the more the fight is interesting. So we like our opponent to be strong. We will see. 30th is the voting day, and 2nd is the result. So let's see whether he is right or wrong. It's easy to pinpoint on government, and I think in the last session, CM has really given him a befitting reply. So let's see.
Union Tourism Minister Rakesh Sinha today said that people have come to know about Kongthong village in Meghalaya, East Khasi Hills district. Speaking to the media, Sinha said Kongthong village crop up for discussion in the parliament as many as 9 times after he made a demand for granting cultural heritage tag to this remote village.
Yes, soon I will come. This time I will come and stay 2 days, 2 nights, 2 days there. I am sending some researchers there. I sent 2 researchers earlier. I hired 2 great scholars who had done this survey of the health survey, and we are planning to open the virtual clinic where the patient will be examined there and doctor will see from Shillong. Because practicality, I don't find that doctors are regularly going. So I am going by the practical thing, not this pseudo-ideal thing. So virtual clinic would soon be open, and I am trying to solicit the support of some CSR and other donations so that schools should be reconstructed. What is the problem? That is a plain land is lacking in Kongthong. But whatever the school is, that I want to construct the school, reconstruct the school, which should be best in Meghalaya. based in Meghalaya, and also I am asking them to create a dictionary of Khasi, so that the Hindi people, English people should know to speak Khasi. These are long-term plans. One more thing I am planning for these people, that 10 guides should be prepared. 10 guides from Kongthong and nearby villages, so they should know the South Indian languages, Hindi, Tamil, other languages, so that any part of the people come, they should also learn some, most of the people who are coming outside the country, which country tourists coming more, so that language. So we'll do in the long term. First, my first thing was to win the confidence of the people that I belong to them. And I am coming with a genuine humanitarian and as a public representative purpose. I think every public representative, instead of sitting in the Delhi or the state capital in a big places, should go to the villages, intermingle the most common people, whether he is a voter or not a voter. You meet them, you go there. Last day I went to a family. Her daughter was studying Vasida in 11th class student. I mingled with her mother, her brother, her sisters. I stayed 1 hour. I went to a shop, I purchased something. So confidence generation and trust deficit must be ended.
Members of Ribhoi Dorbar today met the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, R.M. Kurba, and apprised her of many hardships faced by the people of Ribhoi. Speaking to the media, the advisor of Ribhoi Dorbar, Rangkansai Makado, informed that the DC will also include the members of the Dorbar relating to interstate boundary issues between Meghalaya and Assam. Makado also informed that the members of the Dorbar have apprised the DC of the problem of frequent power failure that has created enormous hardship to the people. He also said that they have also informed the DC about the traffic jam created by illegal parking of trucks along the national highway that passes through Ribhoi district. He also expressed appreciation to the DC who has taken the decision to open all the markets in Ribhoi with prior permission from the district administration.
Kon agbede bat kane kajing kepat ban plino ya kayo ting sno bahasibun ya kapan ai kajing kublei semu idisi dai deble kane kam bat ila ai ru ya kataka order ya kapan kiyo baro apo Ribhoi ken plino tangba kede ban sim ya kajing bit undertaking naka yang jong ka sarkar tikibale ikata kala ai kapan pli ting ai kajing semu kajing kublei Aku jadi bagian dari interstate border batasan. Kami semua Ribhoi Dorbar lalai pada kentu yang Deputy Chief Minister jangka Government of Meghalaya, President Shillong, dah kepada ini bagian penting in kuat dan jaga ru yang Ribhoi Dorbar bahkan dan lang akan dekat regional committee gitu. Tendai nakano ra kadaw ba natry communication gap na nakano kalaban lang nakataro imsim layo ay kabanwan lang man kani deng imsim layo ay ban share lang na ne banya no nyang lang hindi ngade bat kani ngadi grand ang kanika interstate border deng isukmen pat ban ong ba DC kijungi kongkurba ela kula rangi ban ong ba kawai pat kajing kedu kinsa invite yangi bangidyo ya kaban ya grand lang bat ngiru ni la berkrek to kat ne ki jingkan kam bede ki kot isla ki jong ke kiri kira ki snong ki thau jingi po juga deka dong Ribhoi te ha bijing ade bat kene ka balai ka jing lip light ke ba ja bor po jong ni Ribhoi district ki jongi kadan ka balit point ka ba i DC long kadan ka jing thut ha ka liang jong ka bor bana jing sai na marba Ribhoi operate na nakaway galiang kata katitang ng damsay. But sisin malado na damsay, undon mat si ban back up pat banay ban panbin panbiang ya kataka. Jingdu te kadaw bara o galong ba hoy kadan sa kaway pwede ka option kata pwede yung nakaliang kanakasikitan berni. Kabawan rung sane. Tanda idon ijing thod kandiat ang kajing ide bat ka yung yan lanti yung kalan bigat ko kaway kayong real tepo siyang mangla te kakaba ka disiru na siyang bansod ng problem kasi nang katawag ko siyang tandrim patla ban le Tingin tip hadukan no kan la ban ne kan ni dengan yang berputar kan sasim ni kena digelanting la yo keteng di nong song snong tu kita berputar sasim ni kena digelanting kumno banyakan kumno mani sisin malawen nya ita ni kat kum di ong keding di sipa kan nam don su kata kata problem medai bat kalan manwan kha te
The Maurangkring Tourism Promotion Society (MTPS) observed World Tourism Day on the theme Tourism for Inclusive Growth and Sustainable Development at Orchid Seven Huts Restaurant, Maurangkring. The President of Maurangkring Tourism Promotion Society, Shri Wallambok Kharsati, presided over the meeting in the presence of the village headmen, NGOs and youth organizations of the areas. In this meeting, the resource person Dr. Everest Mersing, the project facilitator of Not on Map Meghalaya, highlighted that the inclusive growth of tourism should be given ant importance to the youth through entrepreneurship, opportunities, proper utilization of natural resources, empowering rural communities, cultural exchange and upgrading people's knowledge through various media platforms for sustainable livelihood. Bakir Khalaj, who is the guest speaker on the theme, stressed on the importance of hospitality for promoting tourism. He also elaborated on the different aspects of tourism as one of the fastest growing service sector for employment generation and contributor to the state GDP.
Di lembar jom ke blok, lembar kecing terinang, jungi baro, pembalapan pada kebangannya iban lembar tadi kecing bising yang jungi dikasih ke jor palak, kecing dah raibi, mau yang jungi kebangi hapat berput, ngadang kalian kini ke officers lo benda, bahkan ini di bentuk yang jungi, ngadang ilak bentuk yang kini, mungkin ke kebangi ilak, lembar kasih ngidak belum bestart, bersyampan, bersosi pat belum, kecing teli kamera, kecing bising, kecing bihol. Umur ya staff jumpa blok kejumi dekat basin harba nilala penjok kat tu kat ni kijaka ben itna iki makin pelalong itu respa hakut nilakan duwe ke viewpoint hawa umnot ke bahat jasmit nila sna ke ke theme park berhakaba nginsa advertise ya ketu kumbalaliat tentang ni ke video bagi samla tentai bat senrang dijumi Ibawa kata team wedding, oh bentar juga bawa punya tuak showing ni. Ibawa punya halor halor bentar bentar. Mo, tinggi lah. Nah, harta kalau tentang kata chef. Lembab skim yang dia nak di. Nimshim up yang noro. Iki hipor iban sawal. Tinggal sini ni galang. Sejisen bangai jengkup lagi ke terpang. Ia pi barok. Makilah sini ni ke sinjam. Bangapular ko. Bakandal ke jingi trailan kabaya jange hakdan ke jumi malamad ki skin di bakher mala ong minum up tang na sota minne ya ke bentar ke bangi di benda ke yang ke jumi lembar juga ni ke society rengka baki borsno ke blog rengka baki VC di bala ampun ke ladur dia kene ke tourist area sebenarnya ke blog ke jumi bangi kalau si new sok bentar bila menyui so hari sauna ni sunset dari nice dan kat kebar kesimnya kepot bangin penolong dia kini rokawe ke tourist destination nelapai halak smith pinum dar smith kiwan semua tu datang lala lagi sispa tan foto lagi kali berwarna seni lagi lupa kecing job bakal dah kita cukup boleh pun tiba orang bot foto Everest bot penuhun jom kali ke Maurangkring Tourism Promotion Society, beliau nang aja di start di Shillong, beliau nang lah Tommy Kijinget, apa kumbala on tu beliau ingin sahab penman Kijinget, but ingin lah, apa dia Kijinget terhilang jumi, kalau pun beliau yang beri blog jumi, but ham tam dia kita jenok kai, hapo beri blog jumi, beliau siapa mu, beliau tu beri blog.
The Office of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Jaintia Hills, celebrated Honorable Prime Minister Programme and Awareness on Climate Resilient Agriculture today, the 28th September 2021, which was held at Nongkenri Village, Laskin Block. The chairman of this program was Dr. R. Suchiang, Subject Matter Specialist Animal Husbandry and Veterinary of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Jaintia Hills, who welcomed the farmers and the officials from different departments to the program. The chairman of the program also highlighted the concepts of the program. A bunch of such varieties with special traits is now being released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to create awareness for adoption of climate-resilient technologies. During the program, the Prime Minister's office PMO has released 35 crop varieties that have been boosted for climate resilience and to provide high nutrient content that have been developed in 2021 by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) to address the twin challenges of climate change and malnutrition. Shri M. Kharbuli, Farm Manager, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Giant Hills, delivered an awareness on climate-resilient agriculture. He also encouraged the farmers to take up climate-resilient technologies and also to adopt different farm enterprises through integration for optimization of farm resources and for enhancing productivity. Shri A.C. Pariyat, Senior Fellow Research under ARYA Project, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Giant Hills, delivered an awareness on the benefits of mushroom cultivation, its cultivation methods and value addition. Shri F. Sutanga, Senior Fellows Research under NICRA Project, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Giant Hills, delivered a lecture on different climate resilient which are feasible to be used in the farmers' field. The program was attended by the farmers and farm women besides the officials of the organizing department. The farmers' scientists interaction was also held alongside as part of the program. The leaders of Mairang Youth for Change today said the young players of Mairang never excelled in sports beyond the civil subdivision because their public representatives have failed to create opportunities for them. The leaders of the youth organization said this after the youths were able to be part of the Young Boys Football Club Maushut, which participated in the one-day football tournament in which 8 football clubs participated. The Young Boys Football Club was able to take part in the football tournament with the support of Mairang Youth for Change with backing from Pastor Shanlang Wajri.
Ngai ledi ngamlang manila kai football namar ba ngaskufu ba play kul mai sab yang banganila kai football tangba nga jusmo tona ban pet ya kibai le kai long nga jusmo tona ban pet la dale kai kibai ban ti namar play nga uklam ai kasab banganila kai football play nga ai kasab bangan ruai henry nga ju ai men simpan ya ki para samla kiba Doni kasab kamtami ki tu kisamla ki padon interest ba ka sports ti nakaliang jongi kisamla nakaliang jo Mairang Youth for Change ngin sawan kilat kilinti nakabenta jo pi kisamla bangin penyo ki jingarap ngin sa persang ban wat jingarap ro naka sports department ngimla ban kular tambangin sa persang ka bangila nakaliang jongi but hakjing khunro kadon ba kajing job kajing rem habangi job Nyimdai baong bangin sorong ning so kholo habangi job ngide benang trai sitom susu kanam bangin dangla banle kampha susu ek bangile menta banabangi remru nyimdai ban si nyimdai bentu jikermen ngide benang trai sitom susu kanang ba sisin kasngi ngin sayo ban khay utau so jang kajing job gol de prang bu ek jing angno tu pi hangno itu na peng jungi bale kai ban sutana tang mo sikoi ban eklan don pat gidon kajing angno bangin yo le kai hangta hagi level ki khamche jrong Gidon kam mi ginongalam gijongi kinon I see me piru haga sports menong yang pilalom kan ne yang negative susu epi te kata kan kong sedang chuan alade but ngi skam ngin duai bo play when say ki players gijongi ne ka dong ka tain jongi tom I play ni ki official ki referee te ka jingdon joki le sekan I see ka dong ka jinglong justice mo dan te ka sport don justice te nomor tu di perlok jangan ni sya itu ke tim te kata ko ngai kau nendon kum kata war teng don le kai ko jangan ni sya itu ke tim te ka sports kam judon ka bukum kata ka sports mo nendon bahi nendon para kemudian fight kan yo job te kan don ka job kan don ka ram te ka job kam dei bakut ka ram lu kam dei bakut kan don we ka por ge baro tengai ke jingkar ku kerlo epi ke samla ya ke young boys will organize in the tournament pinang kiyo na ka por daga jingalam ka job play Tuai penekam hok ika sab ke bau play lo IP na marap IJK jegisni o la football mele bah ting musim no te penekam hok ika sab te I will ka tournament kan no ka tournament ka job bat ngina ngin dul se na ka por heki ke baro to kumle shibun
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.